the school leaders about why not to drink alcohol and how it can affect your body. So look at this clip and you'll see what happens when you drink alcohol and drive.
Sorry, man. Oh, boys, I'm gonna shoot off.
Did you see that video? The man destroyed 2 lives. Well, think wisely. When you put those keys in your ignition, you're putting your life at risk and putting those around you life at risk. Now let's see what body system alcohol affects. The first body system it affects is the digestive system. Alcohol can affect the digestive system immensely. It can cause abuse and damage to the salivary gland and can irritate the mouth and tongue and leading to gum disease and even tooth loss. Heavy drinking can cause sores in the esophagus and heartburn. Alcohol has a major impact on the nervous system. Alcohol acts as a depressant on the brain and other nerve tissues. This is to say, it slows down the functioning of nerve cells. Last but not least is the respiratory system. Alcoholics are also at risk for an increased number of upper respiratory infections related to a decreased functioning of the immune system associated with alcohol overuse. Now let's define the term binge drinking. Binge drinking is drinking heavily with the intention of becoming intoxicated by heavy consumption of alcohol over a short period of time. In extreme cases, you can die. If it affects your mood and memory, it can lead to serious mental health. It can cause car accidents and kill others as well. You might be wondering, why do people drink alcohol? Well, these are the main reasons. It deals with their problems, it forgets their troubles, and it also drowns their sorrow. Now that we've explored what it does to our body, now let's see the science part of alcohol. Alcohol is any organic compound in which the hydroxyl functional group is bound to a saturated carbon atom. The formula for alcohol is C2H60. Alcohols are soluble in water. This is due to the hydroxyl group in the alcohol, which is able to form hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. As the length of hydrocarbon chain increases, the solubility in water decreases. So, let's now explore the physical and chemical properties of alcohol. As mentioned before, the physical property is solubility. Another property is boiling point. The size of alcohol determines its boiling point. Usually, the larger the size of the alcohol, the higher the boiling point. This is because the bigger the size of the molecules, the stronger the van der Waals force between the alcohol molecules. So more heat energy is needed to be absorbed in order to break down the intermolecular force between alcohol's molecules. Now is the chemical properties. One of the chemical properties is combustion. Alcohol burns in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Alcohols burn cleanly and easily and does not produce soot. It becomes increasingly more difficult to burn alcohol as the molecules get bigger. Another property is dehydration. Dehydration of alcohols is done by heating with concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as a dehydrating agent at 180 degrees Celsius. This reaction uses alcohol to produce corresponding alkenes and water as byproduct. Well, to get out of all these negative impacts of alcohol, you have to quit. Where's to quit? I'll talk to your local doctor, get rid of all the bottles and cans in your house, and to stop putting yourself into situations where you're tempted to drink. Stop drinking now. It destroys your life and destroys the lives around you. So remember,
Drinking isn't cool. It makes you act like a fool.